Wisdom Teeth Removal Recovery. The extraction of the wisdom teeth is one of the most common surgical procedures within oral surgery, and as a surgical procedure, post-procedure care is needed. The first thing to take into account is that you have just come out of a surgical procedure with local anesthesia means, but there is no disability or necessary hospitalization. It is very important that you follow the instructions given to you by your primary dentist or oral surgeon. When we go through an extraction, there is an accumulation of blood, but the dentist recommends not spitting. Why? Teeth are contained within a bone structure made up of a rich network of blood vessels and nerves. In the surgical process, this complex group is altered as during the formation of a blood clot whose purpose is to locally generate the cellular repair process. Can I continue with my normal dental care? Do not brush your teeth, rinse your mouth, spit or use mouthwash for the first 24 hours after surgery. Routine oral hygiene can be started after the first 24 hours, being careful near the wound. Gently rinse your mouth with warm salt water every 2 hours and after meals. What worries me the most is the pain after the procedure, so what can I do to alleviate it? Pain is unavoidable. Ice packs can be used on the cheeks to reduce swelling and control pain. Some medications will control it. You can choose from over-the-counter options such as ibuprofen. If something stronger is needed, you may need a prescription. When can you resume normal activities? It is recommended that you take a day or two off work after your wisdom teeth removal surgery. Thank you very much for the explanation. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, St. Paula, Venture, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.